Today I'm checking out this 30 pack of chalk markers that was sent to me at no cost so I could do the review. Let's get these things out of the packaging and check them out. Wow, chalkola is right. So these are called chalkola and they are very fine point pens. These are all the different colors that comes in this package, which is awesome. It says it on the back here too. And then it gives you more information about them. You don't want to put these on non-porous, surfaces unless you want it to be permanent. So if it's porous, this stuff will soak in and then you're not going to get it off. But if it's non-porous, if it's a solid surface, no pores, nothing to soak in, then you should be able to write on there with this and then use a wet washcloth to just wipe it off. So let's try it out. So I tried one of these markers on my son's favorite root beer mug. He makes root beer floats in this, and he does not like people using this mug because this is his mug. So anyways, I tried writing Colin's mug on it, and as you can see, the mug didn't come out well because I didn't write it right. So I am going to get a wet washcloth and wipe this off. So as you can see, it comes off really easy. I just wet this washcloth right here a little bit and wiped it off. So again, non-porous surfaces, no problem. Maybe write on your refrigerator, things like that. Leave little notes, but make sure you don't put this on porous surfaces. Like I wouldn't write on our granite because, it is kind of porous and it would probably stain that. But I'd have no problem writing on the fridge. Really nice little markers, great set of colors. Hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.